Flapjacks. How much do the ingredients cost in the flapjacks that you buy in the stores? How much money could you save in a year just by making flapjacks? Let's find out, shall we? Who doesn't love a good gooey flapjack, eh? The one I'll be dissecting is the McVitie's Hobnobs Flapjacks. Who doesn't love one of those? This really reminds me of the treks on Duke of Edinburgh Award, trekking through the rainy depths of Wales. A pack of these flapjacks come in 5 little bars. They're £1.45 for the pack, that is 136 grams. So each bar is 29p and 27 grams. They're actually pretty small. They're about this kind of a size. So I don't think one of them would actually really fill you up. Probably need 2 in one go. The ingredients list isn't all revealing, but it is about 45% oats, 15% syrup, 10% butter, 70% sugar, 6% wholemeal flour and 7% oil. If you were to buy these ingredients from the shops, a pack of Quaker oats is £2 for a kilo. A pack of Lyle's golden syrup is £1.15 for 454 grams. A 500 gram block of the Anchor butter is £3.40. The Titan Lyle's sugar is £1.09 for 1 kilo. The Essential Waitrose wholemeal flour is £1.19 for 1.5 kilos. A litre of Flora sunflower oil is £2.75. So that means the cost of the ingredients in those Hobnobs Flapjacks is 2.4p's worth of oats, 1p of syrup, 1.8p of the butter, 0.5p of the sugar, 0.1p of the flour, and 0.4p of the oil. So a grand spanking total of 6.5p. For one of those bars. If you buy the pack, then one of those bars costs 29p. So the cost of the ingredients of each bar is 22.5p cheaper than buying the flapjack packs. Now, that's not a lot of money. That is a fraction of the cost of actually buying those snacks. Now, if you wanted to make these Hobnobs Flapjacks into a homemade flapjack, there's plenty of recipes online. Some of the simple ones, you only need 4 ingredients, and that's oats, sugar, butter and syrup. Takes 30 minutes. All you need to do is preheat the oven, mix all the ingredients together, put it in a baking tray, press it down, stick it in the oven, take it out of the oven, cut it up. That's it. One of the recipes calls for 250 grams of oats, 125 grams of butter, 125 grams of sugar, and 50 grams of syrup. That will make 550 grams of the stuff, and that will be 50p's worth of oats, 85p's worth of the butter, 13.6p's worth of the sugar, and 12.7p's worth of the syrup, to a grand total of £1.61p for the whole tray, which comes out to 7.96p per bar. That is the same weight as the one you buy from the Hobnobs. Or we can round that up to 8p per bar, which is 21p cheaper per bar. Let's be honest, those bars are pretty damn small. They're about the size of one of the fingers of the Walker's shortbread, and to be honest, one of them probably isn't really enough of a snack. Let's say you eat 2 of these a day, that's 10 a week, that is £2.10p that you would save per week just by making these flapjacks yourself, and that comes to £109 you can save in a year just by making some flapjacks. If you normally eat more than just 2 of those fingers in a day, then you'd be saving even more money. If you're making these for your family, if you're making these for your friends as well, you could potentially save hundreds of pounds by making flapjacks instead of buying them. Do you need a new phone? Start making some flapjacks. Want a trip to Amsterdam? Start making flapjacks. So let's say between a family of 4 or a group of 4 friends, you'll make these yourselves, and you're all eating 2 a day, that would be £436 you would save in a year from making flapjacks. That's a lot of money you can save from making flapjacks. And it's really easy to make as well. It doesn't even take a lot of time. You could do it with the TV on, you could do it with your YouTube running on the laptop next to you. Literally all you need to do is mix all the ingredients together. You can do that by hand, or you can use a food processor if you've got one. Flatten it onto a baking tray, stick it in the oven, wait 15 minutes whilst you do other things, presumably, take it out of the oven, cut it up, voila. Whether the money is worth your time, that is up to you. But I hope this at least got you thinking about what you could potentially gain by making flapjacks yourself instead of buying them. And if you're buying flapjacks from cafes or convenience stores, they're probably not going to cost more than the McVitie's ones that you'll buy from the supermarkets. I hope you enjoyed that analysis. Hit the bell to stay tuned to the other food analysis that I'm doing, the food comparisons and reviews, the new products in the stores that I'm sharing with you all. Show this to a friend of yours who's always munching on those flapjack, or is always making it for their children or their friends, or they just love making snacks, or they just love baking. Leave a comment if there's something you'd like to see dissected next. Thank you very much and have a tasty day.